How to save your Canva presentation as a PPT to USB drive or flash drive. So guys, welcome to my channel Netcoach on Webpack Zone. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. So let me start with the video. So this is my Canva presentation, you can see. So in order to save it as in your flash drive, first we need to save it in your computer. So just open your presentation in Canva, then go to the share, go to the download, and here in file tab you can select the PPTX, which is PowerPoint presentation. Now just go to the download. Okay, so is start downloading and go to the download locations. Yeah, this is your PPT file, Canva PPT file. You can simply select this file, right click on it. Sorry, I just cut the name. Okay, just select the file, right click on it. Before that, you need to connect your USB drive and flash drive to your computer or laptop. After that, just select that file, right click on it, go to the property. Sorry, don't go to the property, right click on it and go to the show more options, and here you can see these options, send to. Select this and you can see your flash drive here if you connect it, and just select that flash drive, then the file will be copied to the this selected drive. Okay, and the another method, you can just open that PPT in PowerPoint. Yeah, it's open. Now what you need to do, just go to the file, go to the save as, go to the browse, and here you need to go in this computer and select that flash drive which you have connected. Now you can create a folder for this particular PPT file in your flash drive, or you can simply rename your PPT and save it. Then it will be saved in your selected flash drive. Save it. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.